Interactivity. We're going to be looking at a series of interactivity with both SWF files and InDesign interactive PDFs. Okay, we're going to be using InDesign a lot within these, within this next chapter. And to get started, we need something in pixels. Okay. Now, I originally put this as week 3, but I changed my mind. Week 3 is going to be photo. I got to shoot that footage yet, so we're going to ignore week 3 for right now and go on to week 4. Okay. Now, under week 4, I need something. Let me get these week 4 open here. There we go. I need something right here. And I'm not sure how big here is. So here could be pretty big. But in pixels, it's kind of a little harder to measure things. So to get started, what I need to do is kind of figure out this area. I'm going to drag something over from the ruler over to about right here. Oops. And then I'm going to drag this to here. And that'll give me an accurate measurement from this corner to this line, which is 761 pixels. So roughly 800 pixels. Alright, in InDesign, we're going to make a document. We're going to make a new document. And we're going to use pixels. Now to do this, you got to go InDesign Preferences, Units, and Increments, and change this to pixels. That's InDesign Preferences, Units, and Increments. So File New. For our width, we're going to make this 800, and for the height, we're going to make it 600. For the margins, 10 pixels. Alright, to get started, let's look at several examples. We're going to make one called a text example. Just going to center this and make it 24. If you're new to InDesign, you shouldn't be in my class, but if you are new, and let's say you're watching this on the internet, we'll give you a brief rundown on navigation. Alt, wheel mouse allows you to zoom in. Spacebar, left mouse allows you to pan around. Okay, so crash course. Let's go to pages, and you're going to see that I accidentally chose facing pages. I want that off. That can be found here under document setup. Make sure I don't have any facing pages. Now everything looks a little bit nicer. I'm not going to be using any master pages, so I'm not really worried about the old master pages being set to facing pages. Facing pages are used for books, not websites. Alright, so the story here is I can make this a little bit bigger even. Let's go 36 and then make this box a little bit bigger. I can make 3 pages. And I can carry this to the other pages. Copy it. Go to the next page. Command V to paste it. If I mouse this around, you see how it centers automatically. Okay, so I'm just making sure all these are centered correctly. We're going to put photo example here. And then video example. Alright, now that I have the layout, let's move on to the next video where we start looking at real small examples on things so you can build upon those examples in the assignment.